The High Line is the most spectacular feature of the Silverton Line, passing through the Rio de los Animas Perdidas, or River of the Lost Souls. With descending grade and the 24-degree curves, the engineer holds the train speed to 8 miles per hour. When it was built in 1881, the construction crew dangled on ropes down the 1,000-foot granite wall to drill, blast, and chip out a shelf for the track. The river is 400 feet below the ledge. It was once said that you couldn't go anywhere on the Denver and Rio Grande narrow gauge without scraping a canyon beside tumbling white water. Passengers were warned to keep their heads from protruding from the windows, no matter how great the scenery. It was jokingly said that one coat of paint was all the wooden coaches could take because of limited clearance on rocky curves.